In this video, I'm going to be sharing everything that I know about nursing and feeding clothes, and also showing you specific pieces of clothing that I have been using in the last 4 months. Keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Shachi and welcome back to this channel. This is all about pregnancy and baby care for us Indian women. Now, throughout my pregnancy, I was so focused on my maternity wardrobe that I completely ignored the postpartum period. And turns out there's quite a lot to be done, especially when it comes to the nursing and the feeding clothes, because you're going to be spending a lot of time doing that. So, after a little bit of struggling, a lot of trial and error, I have finally figured out my nursing wardrobe. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing these pieces with you. These are clothing pieces which are functional and they are comfortable enough to be worn at home, and at the same time they are classy enough to be worn outside. So let's get started. So the first piece of clothing that I want to talk about is actually innerwear, and that is a nursing bra. Now, I really had this question in my mind, that is a bra, is a nursing bra really essential? And turns out it is. It's extremely important. So a normal bra would make it really clumsy to feed your baby, which is why you need a nursing bra. These bras are designed in such a way that you can just unclip the top portion of the bra, and then it makes it easier to feed your baby. So I tried bras from 3 brands. I tried H&M, I tried Triumph, and I tried Innosense. And out of these 3 brands, the one which I found the most functional was Innosense. These bras are soft, they are comfortable, and they're designed in a way that they make feeding easy. So I would recommend this brand Innosense to you. I will leave the links for the products that I have used in the description box below. You can check it out. Next, let me share with you some pieces of clothing which are specifically meant for feeding. So these are known as feeding tops, and I have 4 or 5 different types of them which I want to show you. First, start with this one. So these type of feeding tops essentially have flap or an opening at the front, so it looks like a normal top. So this is by the brand Monsoon, but you can find it in many different brands. Some of them even come with a zip, so you can unzip it and then feed the baby. And I found these to be pretty useful. They are actually quite comfy to wear. The only drawback of this is that it's something which is not really nice to wear outside, because you have these awkward flap in the front or a very awkward zip which comes on the chest area. So I wouldn't recommend it to buy if you're planning to wear it outside, but the initial few months you spend most of your time indoors. So for that, such tops are good enough. The second type of nursing top that I have is from the brand H&M, and actually H&M makes really good feeding tops and nursing tops. The only drawback is that the sizes are never available. It's really difficult to find sizes, because most of the times it's out of stock. So this is a second top, and this I think is something which I have used the most. So like you can see, it looks pretty much like a normal top. The magic here is this crisscross pattern with this flap, and you can just pull this down, nurse your baby. And these tops are a good investment, because this is something which you can wear outside very easily. It looks like any other regular top. So I would definitely recommend investing in at least 2 of such tops from H&M. They come in solid colors like this, and they also come in stripes. These tops are available on Myntra app, and they're also available from the H&M website. The third type of feeding top which I bought was actually a vest. So this is again from the brand H&M. So this is a simple vest or a spaghetti. The only difference is that the top of this you can unhook, and this becomes your nursing or your feeding tank. And this becomes a good option to wear either inside the house or even when you step out. You can wear something on top, like you can wear a shrug or a jacket on top. And speaking of nursing vests or tanks, another piece of clothing that you should invest is a light shrug, or a light cardigan, something which you can wear in all weathers, even when the weather is a little warm. So this is the one which I have, and I think I've used this the most. So like you can see, it's a very simple shrug or a cardigan. It just has some lace detailing here, which makes it a little more outdoorsy. This is from the brand Dorothy Perkins. It's not a maternity line, or it's not from their maternity or feeding line. So definitely invest in one piece of outerwear, either a shrug or a cardigan, which you can throw on anything. So these were the tops which are specifically meant for feeding or nursing. But I understand that it's not always possible to keep buying nursing or feeding clothes. I mean, how many of them can you buy? And you know that their use is obviously limited to the 1 year or the 2 year period that you're going to be nursing your baby. So it's also a good idea to invest in clothes which are from the normal line but are functional enough to feed your baby. So the key here is to buy clothes which have buttons or zip at the front. So this is one such dress that I'm wearing right now. I wore it throughout my pregnancy as well, and this is again from the brand Monsoon Official. So since it has these buttons in the front, it makes it really easy to feed your baby. And another similar dress from, I think I got it on Myntra. So as you can see, again, this is a long maxi dress which has buttons in the front. So definitely invest in 1 or 2 such pieces of clothing, and these will be good to go even when you have to step outside. Another hack that you can use here, which actually I saw, I think somebody on YouTube mentioned it, is that you can buy regular kurtis or tops and get your tailor to put a zip in the front, and the zip can be made concealing, and that makes it an easy option to feed your baby. Of course, that requires a little bit of mehnat and running around with the tailor and all that. So if you're game for that, definitely try this out. Now I also want to share with you some tops which are regular tops but which are fit enough for feeding. So like I said, you don't have to buy only clothes from the nursing or maternity line. You can also buy clothes from the normal line which make feeding easier. So the first top I have is this one. See, it's a regular top. It looks pretty normal. Again, the key here is that the front can be opened. It's a buttoned on shirt. So these buttons make it convenient to feed your baby. This is from the brand All About You. Okay. The second type of clothes which are very convenient when you're nursing a baby are basically regular tops, but which are a little, they are basically, I think they're called boxy style or a broad style tops. So something like this one. And the advantage here is that since it has a broader or a boxy fit, it will be easier to just, lift the top part of it. You can cover your baby's head with it. Sort of gives that concealing option to feed your baby. Along the same lines is again this one. So this is actually a very regular top, but like you can see, it has a very flared boxy fit, and this makes it a good convenient option as a feeding top. And normally this paired with the cardigan that I showed earlier makes it perfect when you have to step out or even if you're inside the house. So ladies, these are some of the nursing and the feeding clothes which I have used, I think, very regularly in the last 4 months. Like I said, it took me a little bit of trial and error to figure out what are the best ways to go about it, but I think finally now I've figured out my postpartum wardrobe, and these are essentially the clothes that I'm going to be using for the next 6 or 7 months or so. And I hope this video has helped you out. I will try and link as many of the products as I can in the description box below. Do check it out. And also on this channel we have a lot more videos on pregnancy, on baby care, on maternity clothes, so make sure that you check out all of these videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. On my Instagram handle, I share a lot more of day-to-day tips, tricks, hacks, things that have been working for me in this journey. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.